Now.
I am flying a drone too fast.
Okay, Tina. Guess where we're at? We are where our trailer is, and Jake's gonna fly the drone in the pasture. He's already done it. It's awesome. All right, go ahead, Jake. I love the noise.
I'm too low battery to keep on going that fast.
All right, well, just fly it past me. This is getting really hard. Probably doesn't look good on video. Whoa, I missed that one. That's a good one. Hover it there a little, up in the sky. There you go.